This tutorial provides detailed instructions on how to process a refund to a customer using AccessPro. Log in to the system with the respective login credentials. The first step is processing a credit note. Go to the Sales module. Select the Manage Invoices menu. Find the customer from the list or through search. Click on this icon against the respective customer to process the credit note. Click on Process Credit Note button. The following message will appear once the credit note has been successfully processed. Go to the Finance module. Select the Refund to Customer menu. Select the customer from the list. Click on the Search button. The following list will appear. Click on All button against the respective transaction you want to refund. Click on Process Refund. The following pop-up will appear once the refund is successfully processed. Click OK. The process of making refund to a customer is completed now.